One sunny morning in the forest, Max, a friendly golden retriever, was walking along a quiet trail with his owner. Suddenly, Max heard a faint squeak from above. He looked up and saw a tiny squirrel clinging to a thin branch, shaking in fear. The wind had blown its nest away, and now it couldn't get down. The branch was too high for Max to reach. So, he barked loudly to get his owner's attention. His owner looked up and gasped. "Oh no! Poor squirrel." Thinking quickly, Max ran to a nearby tree, picked up a fallen branch in his mouth, and carried it under the tree. His owner understood and leaned the branch against the trunk like a ramp. The squirrel carefully climbed down, step by step, and finally reached the ground safely. It It chirped happily and nuzzled Max's nose in thanks. From that day on, Max and the little squirrel became forest friends. Wherever Max walked, the squirrel followed, riding on his back or jumping playfully through the trees. Max didn't just save a life, he made a friend for life.